Hi, my name's Sue and today I'm going to do my first review video on an Amazon product. And the product I will be reviewing is a gimbal. It's called the CINEPEER C11 and it's for smartphones, and I will now show you more of the product. Now the product comes in a very nice hard storage box, as you can see. Try to do my best to show it you, just to keep the product nice and safe. And then this is the product. Right. So as you can see, your smartphone would sit in there and the whole thing can rotate. It twists around, and here you have your control panel. You have your on-off button, a zoom button, and this moves it left to right. Now I'll put my phone in and then you can see how it all works. Now then, it's all very simple really. You have this little grip that you put your phone into, you slide your phone in. And then there's an app that you need to download on your phone. And for this product, it's called reveiw Play. You can find it on your Google Play apps, or so forth, just load it off the internet. Now, you find this app on your phone, press it, you see it comes up, it's coming up now, and then it wants you to connect to the gimbal. So we turn the gimbal on, right, and your gimbal is now turned on. So now you go into your app and you connect. So you connect now, which I've pressed, and you see it's finding my device, which is C11. Hard to do one hand. Don't worry about that. And doing all sorts of other things, just bear with me. And then you click the red enter now, and it should bring it up. Now we need to stabilise it, which you press the mode button. And it doesn't want to do anything for me today. Right, now on this gimbal we have a little knob. I'll try and show it you here. I don't know if you can see that. That you can extend this little arm, that pulls sides in and out to balance your phone. Because you don't need your phone kind of like this, that's no good. It's got to be nice and square. And as you can see, we can now move the phone about, now it's balanced. And what we have your on-off button here. This is your zoom, which you flick up or down. There's also a menu button for your phone. We have a mode button here, and side to side. and up and down buttons. Right. Now the idea of this gimbal is for if you want to film something, and you can do a nice smooth video with this. Obviously take pictures. See if I can take a picture now. Let's have a look. Take a photo and see. Take a photo of myself. Turn that round so it's on me. And see if I can take a picture. Because that says take. I want to record. Take a photo. Onto me. Take a photo. There, and I've just took a nice photo of me. Let's see if I can show it here. I don't know whether you can see that, guys. Nice little selfie of me. So you can kind of see the idea, and you can do it all off of this. Now I'll put a link below on this video so that you can go onto Amazon and you can have a look yourselves. And I'll also put a link to some other devices like this so you can compare them. Now my husband absolutely loves this. He does a lot of YouTube videos. I bought him this the other day for his wedding anniversary, and he's been doing videos. If you take a look at his site, it's called Benidorm Mad Mike. You'll be able to see some of his new ones that he's done using this. There's one where he's done an exercise video for the lockdown, and he used this device for filming himself going up the stairs and so on. I would highly recommend this. It does definitely help your videoing. It's great for bloggers. If you want to walk while filming yourself, it keeps everything nice and steady. It has a tracking device as well, so you could track somebody while they're moving. There's motion on it, so if somebody was doing sports, say, you'll be able to film that. There's also slow motion options on this and time-lapse options. It's an absolute must, and I would highly recommend it. And it's excellent value for the money. Again, it's called the CINEPEER C11, so take a look at it. And thank you for watching my video.